Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Antonia. Hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm using my Louis Vuitton Murakami Cherry Blossom Papillon with the baby papillon attached to it on the other side. And I have gotten so many compliments on this bag. One, I went to the Loewe Cafe inside Holt Renfrew and the sales associate was going through all the scents with me, which she's so nice. And then she was like, I love your purse and all the bag charms you have. And then I gave her a tour. So just in case you want to see my tour. Miffy, Hello Kitty, Tamagotchi, that's dead at the moment. I have an Omamori, which is a good luck charm, a strawberry. And then on this side, I have on the mini one, its own Hello Kitty. Whoa, what's happening? Its own Hello Kitty charm, and then a Sabaru cookie from my favorite cookie store in Japan. The reason why I was talking about my Murakami bag today is because today's haul is another Louis Vuitton x Murakami collection video. I ordered this piece online. It delivered to me today. I took it out of the box. I figured you guys don't need to see the unboxing part. They sent me a shopping bag, which is really nice because I only have shopping bags, but I really like when they give you the packaging and stuff. Anyways, I ordered this. It was supposed to ship like right away. It did not end up shipping right away, but look at the beautiful packaging. I just love that packaging. Anyways, I'm going to keep it because I'm a hoarder and I love keeping like these kind of shopping bags. But this is what I ended up purchasing. It did not come with any kind of special packaging or anything like that. But it did come with a little tag. That's fine. So yeah, let's unbox it together. You can probably tell what this is by the shape of the box. But yeah, this is it's just a white ribbon with silver. I actually think the white ribbon with silver looks a lot nicer than that blue ribbon that they have normally. This ribbon is a lot prettier. Oh, and they even like cut it on the end. Oh, whoever's packaging the online orders is doing a great job. So I ordered this online. It delayed in shipping like so many times. It told me it was going to ship like within the next day. Did not end up shipping. Then it told me it was going to ship in June. It did not ship in June. It's now July, and finally it shipped end of July. So here we go. Let's unbox it. You can probably tell what it is. Okay, so it comes wrapped like this. The tissue paper is not a Murakami tissue paper. It's just a Louis Vuitton tissue paper, which I didn't even know they had tissue paper because they never wrap their items at all. So it is a Silks product. I really like this item. I think it is so freaking cute. So it is the monogram large 90 by 90 silk scarf with the cherry print, the series cherry print. And reason why I wanted this, one, because the smaller scarf is like half cotton, half silk, which is not as luxurious. It's also like see-through. And this one is made of 100% silk. So it says Louis Vuitton Murakami here. You're supposed to cut this thing off, I'm pretty sure. It has a little thing. I don't know what that is. And then it says do not wash, do not do all that stuff, do not bleach, do not tumble dry, all that information. And then it says, where does it say 100% silk? Made in Italy, 100% silk. So it says that right here. Not that you guys really care. I think this was around $800, $900. But I saw it in stock, and it was supposed to ship, which is why I bought it. I'm going to wear it as a top. I think that's going to be really cute. It won't necessarily match my cherry bag because my cherry bag is denim and embroidered, but I didn't like the denim version of the scarf. I didn't think it looked as nice, and I didn't get anything from the monogram. I'm actually on wait list for a couple things because they do come in stock if you're looking for anything. It's just like you have to be able to catch it. So I do want a monogram cherry item, but I haven't been able to catch any like leather good cherry item in stock. The only thing I've seen in stock that was like placed in cart was, I believe, one of the soft luggage looking purses. To be honest, it's not really my style, so I wouldn't go for it. But yeah, this is my small unboxing. I figured I would share with you guys. It's my first Louis Vuitton scarf. I do own a Louis Vuitton bandeau, but first Louis Vuitton scarf. Really excited for this because look how pretty. I'm not a reds girl, but I just think the cherries and the monogram is so freaking cute. It's so pretty. Let me know how I'm supposed to cut this thing, because I definitely should, because I don't want this dangling around. It's gonna be really annoying. It says something on the back too. Louis Vuitton. I don't know what that says. Really cute, like look at them. And there's faces on the Louis Vuitton cherries, just like on the leather good prints. And there's so many ways you can wear a scarf. I got the brown monogram just because I don't think the white monogram looks as nice. You can wear it on your hair. I can wear it and look like a pirate. I can wear it as a top. I can wear it as a scarf. Oh, sorry, I'm covering the mic now. It's such a versatile piece. I love this. So yeah, that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Follow me on Instagram _HelloHarley. Follow me on TikTok @HelloHarley. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.